As I invite you to step inside the interior of this Sequoia, I want to highlight some of the things as you step in. The ingress and egress is great in this vehicle because of the high roof line, and we've got a great easy step-in sill. Attention to detail is very, very Toyota. We've got great quality materials. We've got fit and finish, soft touch materials, of course, power windows, power door locks. In this 8-passenger vehicle, we want you to experience all of the amenities that are available. So I invite you to step inside, take a seat. I'll join you and I'll go over some of the best highlights on the interior of this Sequoia. As I join you in the interior of the Sequoia, I want to highlight some of the comfort features, starting with a standard tilt and telescopic steering wheel. That allows the driver to get comfortable. Keeping the driver's eyes on the road and their hands upon the wheel is important. So we've got audio controls available for the stereo system. And then in true Toyota fashion, very intuitive ergonomic interior accomplishments. So you'll notice our cruise control and windshield wiper have their own individual stalks. Many of our competitors combine those two stalks into one very busy stalk. Well, we divide them to make it easier to use. Your cruise control is very easily accessible right here on the right. You can turn it on, you can set it, you can reset it, you can cancel. Our windshield wiper is above that on the right, and you can lower that down to increase the speed or pull it towards you to clean the windshield. We've also got a very intuitive HVAC system. So we've got a tri-zone system in this large SUV, and you can control it very simply. Here is your temperature controls. That's the passenger. There's the driver. Here's our rear controls. We can then decide on the fan speed right up here. And then finally your mode, where you want to send that air. We've also got standard CD player with WMA MP3 capability. We've got a USB and auxiliary connection right here, very easily located on the dash. We've got 2 power outlets right up front here, which allows us to access that audio system. There's a little cubby storage. There's a long storage piece here. We can take these cup holders out if we want a little bit more storage. It opens that up widely for us. And then as we move back here with our 3 cup holders, we come to our really large storage. Center storage that's going to accommodate a laptop. We can remove this piece and we can actually hang file folders. There's a nice organized lid here for various types of equipment. And as I place this back in, we go upstairs to the storage area. We've got a sunglass holder here, and then we've also got this eye in the sky. We've got a mirror to the back seat, so when you're carrying the children with 3 available latch systems across the second row for 3 child seats, you can keep connected with the children. So functionality, versatility, great storage solutions, great high quality materials that are going to be durable in this family hauler. That's what the Sequoia is about. Now I'd like to invite you to join me in the second row, and I want to talk to you about some of the features and functions in that second row. As I join you in the second row of the Sequoia, I want to highlight how easy it is to get into that third row. There's one lever over here that I slide the seat forward, and that allows me great access into the third row. Now, I'm going to slide that back, step up, and join you with plenty of room for ingress and egress, high roof line for headroom, plenty of leg room. This is a very accommodating vehicle. I can even make myself a little bit more comfortable with a reclining second row seat for those long road trips. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Now, there's a lot of functionality in this second row as well. We've got great cup holders down here, very cleverly put together. We've got a power outlet, we've got our temperature controls, and then of course in the second row I want to talk to you a little bit about safety. All Toyota products have a headrest and a 3-point seat belt in every seating position. That's because Toyota builds our vehicles to a global operating initiative which requires us to meet the highest and strictest safety standards in the world. So in Europe, you're required to have a 3-point belt and a headrest in every seating position. We apply our technology to that standard, so you get a headrest in every seating position. Very easy to lift it up for comfort, and then we drop it down for good visibility through the back. Additionally, we have the 3-point harness in every seating position. So first row, second row, and third row get a headrest as well as a 3-point harness. You can also put 3 child seats with our latch system across this second row. So 1 child seat here, 1 child seat in the middle, and 1 child seat in this outboard position. That's pretty unusual in the automotive industry that we can accommodate 3 child seats. So this really is the family hauler. With 8 available seating options and 3 child seat capability, this will haul the whole family. Now, when you bring cargo with the family, we're going to highlight how easy it is to accommodate that with a large cargo area in the back. So meet me at the back of the Sequoia and we'll finish up there. As I rejoin you at the back of the Sequoia, I want to first highlight the trailer hitch here. So we've got a standard 7-pin connector for a trailer with brakes and lights, a 4-pin connector for a light-duty trailer with just lights, and then we've got a Class 5 hitch that's capable of towing up to 10,000 pounds with this vehicle. So with the tow package and the Sequoia ready to go, you can haul your family's gear in the back in the trailer or inside the vehicle. I'm going to open this up and give you an idea of how large the space is back here. Now, with a full complement of 8 passengers, you can see you still have pretty good cargo space available, but with our 60-40 split third row seat, we can extend that cargo simply by just dropping that 40%, and we still retain 2 seating positions in the third row so that we can still have a 7-passenger vehicle. But if it's just 5 people going away for the weekend and you need extra space, we can go ahead and drop this 60% and really increase our cargo space. So this vehicle is very accommodating, very large. A low sill to add that cargo in, and then some clever underfloor storage capability. So those valuables can stay out of sight. We've got a power outlet in the back here, and then of course we've got hidden storage right back there. So accommodating everything we actually need, including a nice feature is some storage in the armrests and cup holders for those third row. So whether you're hauling 2 people, 8 people, cargo for enough people, whatever it is, we've got you covered with this Sequoia. That brings us back to where we started, that Toyota emblem. Toyota's commitment from our company through our product, the 2010 Toyota Sequoia, to you, our customer, to bring you the finest automobiles in the industry. We believe that Pat Lobb Toyota is one of the finest automobile dealerships in the industry, and we'd like the opportunity to meet your automotive solutions. If you're an existing customer, we want to welcome you back to Pat Lobb. If you're a new customer, we want the opportunity to earn your business. So please come visit us at our location in McKinney, Texas, or visit us online at www.toyotaofmckinney.com. Thank you for your interest in Pat Lobb and this 2010 Toyota Sequoia.